It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted.
How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Forgive me, I've got a bit of a cold, so I'll probably sound a bit stuffy. This week, I fancy a burger. I'm going to do a burger, a pizza burger, a margarita burger, whatever you want to call it. It's got some margarita flavours. So what we got? We got some beautiful brioche bun. I've got some ground chuck, 80-20. We've got some basil. We've got some parm. We've got a beautiful onion. We've got some mozzarella. And we've got some pizza sauce. The pizza sauce, for me, this is what makes the burger. It's absolutely delicious. Good quality ingredients, that's all you need, but it's so simple to make. So what do? We threw some really good quality San Marzano tomatoes in a blender, canned, followed by basil, olive oil, sugar, salt, and give it a good old whiz. And that's it, beautiful. Right, I'm just gonna crack on, so I'm getting excited, my mouth's watering. And I'm going to make a cracking burger. Let's make a burger. So like I said, I've got some ground chuck, 80-20 split, fantastic for burgers. You want that fat, good quality beef. I'm not a fan of putting anything in my meat because if you do, it becomes a meatloaf and you don't want that. You just want to make a patty and season it and grill it or put it on a flat top and get a nice crust on it. So we're going to make the patties and yeah, I'm going to put them in the fridge. And at the end, make a little indentation with your thumb. That stops the patty from buckling up like a balloon. And by doing this, it makes it nice and flat on the grill. It cooks evenly, We're not gonna salt these right now. We're gonna put them in the fridge to firm up for a good 20 minutes. And then just right before the grill or the flat top, I'm gonna season them. The patties are in the fridge, and now we're gonna make some quick, delicious basil butter, just brushed over the top while it's cooking, and that butter and that basil just gets sucked into that meat. Delicious. So it's very, very simple. Butter and basil. So roughly, I just want to lightly chop my basil. Doesn't matter if it's bruised a little bit, it's going to be in the butter, just for flavour. Right, add your butter. When melted, add the basil. Get your basil in. Stir for about 1 minute, just to let that basil flavour the butter. Right, now just put that to one side. Right, next, I've got some beautiful brioche buns that I want to toast on a flat top. That's getting nice and hot. I just want to put a little bit of olive oil. You've got to have a toasted bun for a burger. Nothing worse having a soggy burger. Get my burgers out. And we're going to season them. Right, let's make a burger. got to dive in. My God. It's amazing. It's got all the flavourings of a pizza and more. It's a simple burger, but my God, it's delicious. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.